In this video, we show you how to customize payment options on your invoice templates to suit your preferred payment methods. To edit or add a payment service to a branding theme, from the Sales menu, choose Online Payments. Xero takes you to the Payment Methods screen, where you'll see a list of all the different payment methods you have set up. Click the Connected Services tab, then choose Manage Themes. Use the drop-down arrows to choose which connected payment service you want to add to each branding theme. In this example, we want to add a payment service to the Foxglove Studios branding theme, so we'll change the selection from None to Stripe. Finally, click Save. Alternatively, edit or add a payment service to a branding theme from the Invoice Settings page. Click the Options drop-down for the branding theme you want to update the payment services. Then choose Edit. Edit or add a payment service to suit your needs. In this example, we'll click the Credit Card drop-down and choose Stripe to add it to the branding theme. Click Save to make the changes. Customize your invoice templates by adding your preferred payment methods so you can get paid faster.